So on page 3 of chapter 1, we look at copying a spreadsheet formula. One of the major advantages of using a spreadsheet is the ability to copy formulas. This greatly reduces the amount of calculation work. As a formula is copied, it automatically adjusts depending on whether it is being copied across or down. So if you look here, we have a formula equal B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7. And we'll see that when we copy that across using fill right, the cell references will change. Fill right. In figure 1.4, a formula to calculate total lecture attendance for Monday has been entered in B9. This formula can be seen in the formula bar. We can copy the formula using the fill handle, which is a little square at the bottom right-hand corner of the cell pointer. When the mouse pointer is positioned over the fill handle, it changes to a black cross, indicating that the cell contents can be copied. The formula is copied by holding down the left mouse button and dragging to the right. In figure 1.5, the formula in B9 will be copied to C9, D9, E9 and F9. In Excel, copying a formula to the right is called fill right. When the left mouse button is released, Excel copies the formula to the selected cells. In figure 1.6, cells C9 to F9 have been shaded to emphasize the results of the fill right process. Notice from the formula bar that the cell references have adjusted. The original formula was equal B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7. By copying this formula one column to the right, the letters in the cell references have advanced by one letter, giving equal C4 plus C5 plus C6 plus C7. This formula will continue to self-adjust as it is copied to cells D9, E9 and F9. Fill down. In figure 1.7, the formula equal B4 plus C4 plus D4 plus E4 plus F4 is being copied down. So as before, the mouse pointer is positioned over the fill handle. When the mouse pointer changes to a black cross, the formula is copied by dragging downward while holding down the left mouse button. The results of the copy operation are displayed once the left mouse button is released. The shaded cells in figures 1.8 show how the formula updates when it is filled down. In figure 1.8, the original formula equal B4 plus C4 plus D4 plus E4 plus F4 has changed to equal B5 plus C5 plus D5 plus E5 plus F5. Because we are filling down, the numbers in the cell references have increased by 1. And that's the end of the video on copying a spreadsheet formula, which we did by filling right or by filling down.